guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haylie, and in this video I am showing you guys how I do my 5-minute no makeup look using as little products as I possibly can. I am currently visiting family in my hometown, and you never know who you're gonna run into at Walmart. I don't want to run into like my arch nemesis from school and look my worst, and so I figured might as well bring my makeup along with me, but I didn't want to bring, a million products. So this is a very minimal look with very minimal products, and it costs very minimal amounts of money. So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to see how I did my makeup like this, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first I'm taking my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I feel like this is a crucial step. It just helps smooth any fine lines that I have, and it also fills in my pores pretty well. My skin just looks a lot softer and smoother after using this. And I apply that basically to my entire face, especially in my T-zone. Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This has been a ride or die product since I was like 16. It has great coverage, but it does not feel heavy at all, and I really feel like it makes my dark circles look a million times better than they actually are. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Translucent powder and applying that to seal all of the concealer, and I'm also applying it to my T-zone just to make sure that I don't get super oily throughout the day. Next, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This has also been a ride or die product since high school, and the sad thing is I've had this exact powder since high school, and I use it pretty much every day, so it has lasted me a long time, and it is just as buttery as the day I bought it, and let's be honest, it is long expired. Broke college student or recent graduate vibes. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Color Jolt Lip Paint in Ready or Not, and I actually forgot my blush, but I feel like blush is a crucial step on me because I'm so pale. So I'm taking the tiniest bit of that because it is super pigmented and applying that to my cheeks. The good thing is that since it is a lip paint, it is a lot less waxy than some lipsticks, so it won't get oily or gross on me throughout the day. And then I'm taking just one dab of that onto my lips and applying that with my finger to make it look kind of like I just ate like a popsicle or some cherries or something, and have it look super natural and flush. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil and combing out my brows and then filling in just the sparse areas. I really don't want my brows to be too bold since everything else is super simple. Next, I'm taking my Essence So Glow highlighter. It is a very finely milled cream to powder highlighter, and it looks very natural. Now I'm curling my eyelashes and applying my L'Oreal Million Lashes mascara. I don't always wear mascara, but I feel like every girl in my hometown has lash extensions, so it makes me feel a little self-conscious, and that is the completed look. And now I am ready to get dressed for the day. So that is it for the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Every product in this video I actually really like, and I definitely will be purchasing again. So I definitely encourage you to also use these products. And yeah, I will see you guys on, what is today? Sunday? I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.